Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to update WhatsApp privacy settings. So what you're going to want to do is go on to WhatsApp right here, as you can see, get onto the app, then you want to go to the bottom right hand side of the screen where it says settings down there, click on that, then you will see account, you're going to want to click on that, then you will see privacy at the top, click there. Then you will see all these different options. You got last seen, profile photo, about, group, status, live location, blocked, read receipt, screen lock. All of these things, you just click on them and change them to how you want. It could be like my contacts, nobody. And you can go out of that. Then you'll see it's been updated like that. You can go back if you want to, etc. So tick whichever one you want of each of these. Then if you, for whatever reason, you can't see this feature, you will need to go to like your App Store or with the Google Play Store. Make sure it's updated just by clicking on update on the stores for each of the ones there. And then if for whatever reason you still can't do it, unfortunately you will just have to wait until it's rolled out on your WhatsApp. But that's it for this video. Leave a like on the video if you are going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on WhatsApp and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.